Alright guys, here's how you change the airbag out on a Chevy SS or Holden Commodore VF. First thing you're going to do, you're going to want to disconnect the battery from the back. Before you do that, make sure you have the steering wheel upside down, pulled all the way down, and then all the way out towards you. You'll want to get back in behind here. You'll see there's some holes here. So you'll take an Allen wrench, put the Allen wrench in the hole, and you'll put it at an angle about like that. You'll feel it slide in, and then you'll push it out like that. Then you'll go to the other side. Same thing, put it in like an angle like that. Push it out. And then the airbag will come out. Once you get both of them released, you'll see that the airbag has popped out. You can then pull it out. Drop the airbag down. And you'll see there's clips here. These orange clips, you just pull them up. Like that. Then you pull the other one up. Like that. Then you're able to then slide off these clips. And they are color coded, so you don't have to worry about putting on the new airbag backwards. So we will say bye-bye to the Chevy bag. Then we will replace it with the Holden bag. So to install, same thing, as you just repeat. Again, looking at the colors. You put them down. Then push this tab down. Same thing with the other one. And push that down. Those are the clips that we pushed out with the Allen wrench, and those spring tabs go in there. So put that in. And you're good to go. And there's your finished product.